Bollywood actor Salman Khan, public prosecutor in the arms case, has now moved application in the Jodhpur Sessions Court against Salman, leave from being present at court. Salman Khan has taken a leave of absence citing his illness, but he is shooting for a film. All right, the latest getting us up to speed with this latest news break is my colleague Shujaul Haq. Shuja, can you get us up to speed with this news break, please?
Well, Preeti, as far as Salman Khan is concerned, he's been camping here in Srinagar, rather in Kashmir, for past few days. And what we heard from his managers was that he was not feeling well for past few days, and he has cancelled his shoot. He apparently had developed some ear infection, and that's the reason why he could not go for shoots. But yesterday he was seen out shooting in the Ashmukam area of South Kashmir. That is perhaps what has gone against him, and that's perhaps why the public prosecutors have sort of pinpointed the fact that he has been able to shoot, and why is it that he has not been able to present himself before the court. So I think that's something that the Salman Khan side will have to clarify, as of now.
Has he been actively shooting, Shuja?
Well, he's been shooting. See, yesterday we have heard, in fact, his managers also, were seen putting out some pictures. In fact, it has come in the local media as well. He's been shooting for Bajrangi Bhaijaan film, and it has been shot at this point of time in the South Kashmir area, which primarily is the one of the hill stations in Pahalgam.
Right.
And he was actually seen yesterday shooting.
And he was seen shooting. Shuja, I'd request you to stay on with us. The reason we have Shujaul Haq is because he's confirming for us that over the last few days, Salman Khan, who's technically on a leave of absence from court because he says is ill, is actually shooting in Srinagar. We are joined by M.K. Sankla, the public prosecutor in this case. Mr. Sankla, well, it has fairly been established that Salman Khan has now been shooting while he's feigning illness now in court.
Hello, pardon, I'm not listening.
संकला जी, सलमान खान श्रीनगर में शूट कर रहे हैं और लीव ऑफ एब्सेंस लिए हुए हैं जोधपुर कोर्ट से.
उसने जो कोर्ट दिया उसके खिलाफ हमने एप्लीकेशन मूव कर दी है आज कोर्ट के अंदर. एप्लीकेशन में भी मूव हुए कि जो उन्होंने जो इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है सलमान खान ने 23 तारीख को वो फाल्स दी है. इसके लिए उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई की जाए.
जी, आपने ये कब एप्लीकेशन दर्ज की है कि उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई की जाए कि उन्होंने कोर्ट को झूठ बोला है?
ये हमने आज अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग 8 बजे एप्लीकेशन मूव कर दी.
ये हियरिंग कब होगी इसकी?
29 को.
29 को. तो 29 को पता चलेगा कि कोर्ट क्या एक्शन लेता है, क्योंकि जो चार्जेस हैं वो क्या हो सकते हैं इनके खिलाफ?
वो तो उसका जवाब आने के बाद में चार्जेस डिसाइड किए जाएंगे, क्या चार्जेस लगेगा.
जी, पर अगर कोई कोर्ट से झूठ बोलता है, जैसे सलमान खान ने झूठ बोला है, तो क्या चार्जेस दाया हो सकते हैं उनके ऊपर?
वो इंडियन पेनल कोड में 193 का प्रोविजन दिया हुआ है. जी, और क्या है वो प्रोविजन? हेलो
जी, क्या प्रोविजन है 193 आईपीसी में?
193 के अंदर उसका कोग्निजेंस हो सकता है, और अगर जो मिथ्या सूचना दी जाती है उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई की जा सकती है.
जी, बहुत धन्यवाद हमसे बात करने का. द पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर देयर, M.K. Sankla, he's lodged a petition there today saying that Salman Khan has lied to the court, stating that he is ill but not so. I'm joined right now by Salman Khan's lawyer. Hastimal Saraswat is on the phone line with me. Mr. Saraswat, with what seems right now to the naked eye is that Salman Khan actually lied to court when he asked for a leave of absence under the guise of being ill, but he is shooting in Srinagar. Mr. Saraswat, can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me, Mr. Saraswat? Mr. Saraswat, Salman Khan is shooting in Srinagar while what seems right now is that he's clearly lied to court. All right, we seem to be having an audio problem with Mr. Saraswat's line there. We're going to try and rectify that and go back to him. But now with appears to the naked eye. It does seem that actor Salman Khan has lied to court. Earlier on, he had taken a leave of absence from court, not appearing in court in the Jodhpur incident, where he had stated that he was ill. Well, that is not now being seen as so, because in the last 2 days we have seen him shoot in Srinagar. We are once again joined by Hastimal Saraswat, Salman Khan's lawyer. Mr. Saraswat, there is now an application that has been lodged with the court stating that Salman Khan has lied to the courts. While he says he is ill, he is shooting in Srinagar. Can you hear me, Mr. Saraswat?
Yes.
There's an application that has been lodged in court today, sir, which goes on to suggest that Salman Khan has lied to the courts.
पेश किया है, उसमें ये लिखा है कि उसके कान में प्रॉब्लम होने से हमने इसका नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो जो लगी है वो नहीं लगी है.
We are having a problem with Mr. Saraswat's line. We're going to try and rectify that and once again cut across to him. But, well, that is the story that is emanating. Salman Khan had said that he had an ear infection and he could not come to court. But it seems that the ear infection is all right for him to shoot in Srinagar.